Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Wednesday 27th of April. And yeah, here we are. So we have been Bitcoin has been causing trouble for everyone, right? Bitcoin is just like that guy in the school that actually bullies every single new student out there. All right, so here but the thing is that you cannot go against a bear pattern, and this bear pattern unfortunately does take you down to these levels, and we are now inching closer and closer. Okay, we are inching closer and closer. We at the 0. We went down to the 137, 136 yesterday, 2 days ago, and it's like you're forming this sort of support right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dive into the smaller time frame so that we can see this way more better. And yep, here we are. And what's going on here with that chart? I'm just gonna remove this falling wedge that never really played out. And what else do we have now? Okay, so we do have this upper resistance right over there, and you can already see that this is going to act as a big resistance. And you also have some sort of, all right, let me just stretch this one as your support right over here. So the apex comes within 2 days, and if you start to maybe break out of it, you might have a small relief, but you have to be careful to break up and make a fake out. But I just expect it to go sideways, get sandwiched a little bit in the middle, and then you go to the downside. Okay, so it's gonna get sandwiched in the apex probably, and then go all the way to the downside. But that's just an opinion. Okay, you must wait for the break for confirmation. If it goes up, back test, well and good. If it goes down, but why do I say it has to go down? Because of the bear flag, and it does make sense to go way more down. Before you bash SLP for going down like this, I think every single coin is going down. I do saw Porto making a bear flag on the 4-hour time frame as well. So here we are with the Porto. You came all the way to the downside, made a bear flag just like that. You break out of the bear flag, you're looking to go down, right? So everything is making bear flags. Even this one is looking to drop by maybe 20-30% if it does happen. And one more thing, Gala as well. Just look at Gala. And on a higher time frame, on the daily time frame, we broke to the downside. This is not something good. Break to the downside, and it's a very clear break to the downside. So in my opinion, it could make a little bit of a green candle, pull to the upside, and then boom, go all the way to the downside. Let's look at Bitcoin as well. Okay, so Bitcoin, just gonna open up on the Qcoin here and watch the Bitcoin update on the channel. We have lost this support, and all it seems like is just a retest of that support. Do you see that? So all you did is you went to the downside, and now you're pulling a little bit back to retest this support level. So are you going to actually go back up and become bullish once again to go to the upside? Potentially then SLP will actually break to the upside as well. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. If that Bitcoin gets bullish, then this one might get bullish from here to go to the upside. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.